Mr. Prime Minister. It's a pleasure to
Mr. Prime Minister, thank you so much for your time today.
The dual cost of global inaction and climate injustice are having a crippling effect on both our treasury and our people. This calamity has not been triggered by anything we have done. Why are my people paying the price of such high global warming? For 40 days and 40 nights, a biblical flood poured down on us. What happened in Pakistan will not stay in Pakistan. My question is, will we be left alone, high and dry? We look for peace with all our neighbors, including India. Sustainable peace and stability in South Asia, however, remains contingent upon a just and lasting solution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute.